I started with Nvidia because I'm a gamer, so shout out to the gamers out there. It's been a great decade, since E3 when I found this company. And, the technology that they've developed over the last decade is unbelievable. And now all this is coming to fruition. So the valuation's coming to obviously a full valuation now for a very aggressively growing company. It does create, more of a dilemma for investors. And that's why we, in my fund GK and also with our clients, manage to like a certain allocation for clients, because you have to sort of take the emotions out of when it's good to maybe trim a little bit or, is this a time to add a lot? I don't know. Markets have definitely gone up substantially. So investors, need to be careful around names like Nvidia, but on the other side of the coin, you got to own the stock, and it's in my fund. So that's a way to do it. You can buy it in one of the index funds for semiconductors or a fund like mine, GK.
Ross, yesterday we had a guest who said pretty much exactly the same thing. He's actually sold his position, his stock position in Nvidia, and
never
kept
do
his
that.
exposure. Okay. Can I carry on?
No. If you sell Nvidia out of your position,
hold on.
Please do not do that. That would be a crucial mistake that could cost you greatly in your lifetime.
Okay, so this guest of ours, let me give you his pitch. Okay, clearly it was different from yours. He basically said that he sold his stock position in Nvidia because he found it overvalued, but kept his exposure through ETFs. Now, if you're a retail investor, isn't that a prudent strategy?
No. Okay. You have to think long-term as an investor. It's the exact opposite strategy. You should not even think about selling stocks.
Ross, the stock has gone up 87% year to date.
It doesn't matter. When I bought it, it was a company making graphics cards chips, and we're about to embark on one of the most consequential moments in technology history. I've been doing this for 30 years. The internet was invented during my life, and that changed my life as an investor. And people wanted to sell stocks like Microsoft in 1999, and where would you be today? You can't think this way. People are living to 100. This is a massive opportunity. So it's really about how much risk are you comfortable with, not whether or not you're going to sell a stock. I mean,
but
you question somebody's, sort of thinking with that.
But do you not think that the pace at which Nvidia has rallied and moved up, it's almost like a melt-up move for the stock where it becomes more susceptible to any slight disappointment? And the short sellers get active, and then the retail investor gets caught on the wrong side.
The volatility of Nvidia is always going to be there. It was down 50% in 2022, and it was really hard to take back then, when we were down 50% on it. And it was 50% down another time recently that I can remember. And that's investing in technology stocks, but it doesn't change the fundamental value of the company and what they're doing and what moat they have around literally the brains of AI is Nvidia. It's the absolute, like the brain cells of AI. So there no other company in its position I've ever seen.